In this video, I show you how you can create this website from scratch with zero coding or programming in only 5 minutes. Let's get it. So the first thing that you need for your website is a web hosting to store your files and folders and a domain name that can be the name of your website. So the web hosting that I use for this tutorial is Bluehost. Also leave a link in the description below to official Bluehost website. Bluehost is #1 web hosting recommended by WordPress official website, and you also get a free domain name and a discounted price through an affiliate link in the description below. After you click the link in the description below, you get to the Bluehost website. Now here we need to click on Get Started. Now you need to choose a plan for your website. And if you're just starting, it's good to go with this basic plan, which is $3.95 a month, which is the price of a coffee. And if you want to have multiple websites, you can go with the plus or other options. So go ahead and click on Select. In this page, you need to create a domain name for your website. If you already know what will be the name of your website, you can just type it here and select the right extension, which I recommend going with .com. And if you already have a domain name, you can just type it here and click Next. And if you're not sure what will be the name of your website, you can select it later on and you're still going to get the free domain name for the first year. So for now, I'm just going to click on I will create my domain name later. Now you need to put in your account information like your first name, last name, and things like that. Pretty self-explanatory. And select the package. If you're really serious, you can go with 36 months. If you're not sure, you can go with only 12 months. And then uncheck this box, which is a backup service. Also have a video on how to get a backup for free, so you don't need this. And the site lock security as well. So the price drops to $71.40. Now put in your payment information, accept the terms of service, and click Submit. Then you gotta land on this receipt page, and you're probably gonna have a different receipt based on the package that you choose. Scroll up and click on this blue Create Account button. And once we get here, get your domain name entered and create a password. Make sure to make note of the password because you're going to need it to log in into your account. Check this box, Terms of Service, and create accounts. Now our account is ready to go, and just click on Go to Login button. Now enter your domain name and the password you just created and click on Login. And once you get to this point, we got to set all this stuff up later inside WordPress. So you got to scroll down and click on Skip this step for now. That will automatically start to install WordPress for your website. After the WordPress is installed, you will land on the Bluehost dashboard. Right now you have successfully set up your website. We just need to set up a couple more things and build our site. And now we're going to hover the mouse over to My Site section and click on it. This will load your site. And once your site is loaded, you got to hover the mouse over the Login button to log into your WordPress account. So this is the backend or the dashboard of your website. This is the page that you see every time you log into your WordPress account. And this is how your website should look when you go to your URL. This is the default look or theme for any WordPress site. So the first thing that we need for this website is a new theme, which is going to change the look of this website. So hover over Appearance and click on Themes. Now click on Add New and search for the theme called Astra. So this is the theme that I'm going to use for this tutorial. Click on Install and activate. All right, now we need to install a plugin for our website. So hover over Plugins and click on Add New. Plugins are basically the functionalities that are added to your website. And here, search for Astra. And this is the plugin that we need to use. Click on Install Now and activate. And here, click on See Library and select Elementor. From this page, you can import any of these websites as a starting point. I'm just going to go ahead and click on Mountain and import complete site. Now, if you already have imported a website, you can select this one, but for now we don't need to because we haven't imported. Click on Import and skip. Nice. So the website is imported successfully. So let's go back to our website, refresh, and boom, we got our website up and running in literally only 5 minutes. Now that you have your website up and running, it's time to add new posts, pages, menus, or basically change it and customize it the way you like. So make sure to check out the next video on how you can change your website and how you can add more functionalities to it. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to drop a like on it. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and tap that little bell so you don't miss out the next video. See you in the next one.